Welcome. My name is Matt Bautel, and in this unit we're going to be learning about Firebase. At this point, I assume that you've already gone through the units about the UI, right? So that you're kind of a master at working with activities or fragments, menus and dialogues, or at least you're on your way to becoming one. All right, so at this point, you're wondering, how do I persist my data, particularly in the cloud, right? So that I can actually share it between devices and so on. And that's what this unit is all about. All right, so let's take a look at one of the demos that we're going to be doing here, where we're kind of heading. This is one that's called movie quotes, right? And what we have is a bunch of titles and quotes from various movies. And this right here, as you can see on the app, all right, what I can do is I can create, a new movie and a title. Whoops, let's go ahead and hit the tab key here. Go on and go ahead and click OK. And we see that it makes a new one. The interesting thing about this, though, is that actually this is synced up with, this is called the Firebase real-time database. And you can see that all of the different data, all the movies and quotes that are here on this website are the same things as the ones that are right here, right? So the one that I just deleted, or the one that I just created, was down at the bottom here, this title and new movie. So when I go to delete it here by long pressing, it deletes it on the back end as well. And you can see that really is happening. It just lightning fast. It's in real time, right? If I want to make a change here, right? So hello world, and I want to add in some exclamation points here. All right, you see that they're happening at exactly the same time, right? So really pretty impressive, right? So how does this happen? Wow, we've got a lot to learn in this unit. So let's start with the beginning stuff here, right? So first of all, giving credit where it's due. So these slides started off as an independent study by Tyler Rockwood, recent alumnus of Rose-Hulman. And in fact, Tyler is actually working out at Firebase, working for Google in the Firebase group right now. So pretty cool. So you're going to see his name in various places in the next unit, and that's why. So what are we going to be doing here in this unit? So first of all, you're going to be able to connect your client to a backend, right? And as far as the client side goes, you're going to be able to create an instance of the database. You're going to be able to get data from the backend. You're going to have listeners that receive it, and then you're going to be able to deserialize that data that's coming in over the wire into Java classes, right? And we're going to see that that's really easy to do, actually. And second of all, if we want our Android client to be able to modify the data, right? So we need to serialize things, again, pretty easy. And we're going to have to implement the different CRUD methods for interacting with a database, right? So things like creating new data or updating it or deleting it or reading it, okay? So very, very cool stuff. So I'll let you click on this if you're following along in the slides and you're interested in movie quotes. There's an XKCD about that. So that's what's going on in this unit. Come back next time for learning about what is Firebase.